Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I remain Mr. Biola, your favorite math teacher. Today we are going to learn how to divide whole numbers by two-digit divisor. Let's start right away. We have 255 divided by 75. I always start with the first digit, which is 2. Okay, 2 divided by 75 is not possible because 2 is smaller than 75. Because it is not possible, I'll write 0 at the top, then do 2 digits, which is 25. 25 divided by 75, not possible because 25 is smaller. Because it's not possible again, I'll write another 0 at the top. Then I'll do 3 digits, which is 255. How many times can 75 go into 255? Now I will try 9. I always start with 9. If 9 doesn't work, then I will use a smaller number, which is 8. If 8 doesn't work, I will try 7. So let's start with 9. So you do 75 times 9. Okay? Now, there's an easy trick that will enable us to know whether 9 will work or not without wasting time. That trick is this. Just do 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Is 63 smaller than 25? No. Because 63 is bigger than that 25 that I circled, it means that 9 won't work. What of 8? Will 8 work? Just do 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay? 56 is what? Also bigger than 25. So 8 won't work. Okay? Try 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 is also bigger than 25. Try 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Okay. 42 is also what? Bigger than 25. Since won't work. Try 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 is bigger than 25. So 5 won't work. Try 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 is bigger than 25. 4 won't work. Try 3. Okay. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 is not bigger. 21 is smaller than 25. So 3 might work. I use the word might because we still have to confirm. Okay? So you will now multiply 75 by 3 to confirm. 3 times 5 is 15. Write 5, put 1 here. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus the 1 on top, you have 22. You can see that 225 is smaller than 255. That means that 3 worked. So at the top you write 3, then 75 times 3, that gives you 225. You write at the bottom, and then you subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So the remainder is 30. Now the 2 zeros you have in the answer, you can cancel them because they don't have any value. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.